Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are here with Digga D, Amelia. Official video. Digga D is on a roll from a day. Digga D having Project Naughty by Nature out. So you know, so that I do numbers. So big up yourself, Digga D. YouTube always a black, but Digga D reactions, I'm essential see reactions. So if you see me pausing it a lot, that is a way to stop YouTube from blocking it. So all of the younger guys that does reaction, if you don't want YouTube stop blocking the video, just pause it every 10 seconds or so, and YouTube will stop blocking it. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna jump in on here and see. If the pausing is not for you, then take yourself. You understand? Wake up on yourself. Let's go, Digga D. Yeah, G.
Say nothing. I know you lot have been.
So in the last video, I asked a question. In the last Digga D video, I asked a question. Do you think Digga D has reached his peak yet? Some people in the comments said no. Let me hear what you guys say.
On to me for the track list. Well, here it is. NBN out Friday, man. Make sure you're streaming and buying that. Come on.
Side road, high road, back road, main road.
So this is the track list. Okay. Yeah. So this is the track list, and it's out on Friday. It says so. Get it, guys. Get it.
Front line where we board up through 100 more places I can sail on. I talk a lot of crud. I've drawn a lot of blood. He made it out the mud. I still put him in the mud. It's not.
Is this the same song? Like, what is he doing? Is he just flicking through the tracks? What is he doing? I don't understand what I'm gonna.
What I seen, G-locks with a beam, whole clip full of teeth. Yeah. You ain't been where I've been, whole room full of green, hitting licks with my team.
By the way, that picture that just went, I like that picture. That's very creative. So the person who came up with that idea and create that, big up on the set.
Why for Five Guys? Man, I'm Five Guys.
Yeah, come on.
But like when Digga D bring out the Jamaican side, the man say, "Oh, why for Five Guys? We not name Five Guys, but a big why that we not name no guy. Why?"
Yo, it's easier to fuck these women with 4 chains swinging, 3 rings blinging, 2 straps.
I did do a reaction to that song already, so if you haven't checked it out yet, go and check it out. YouTube did black that too.
I lead my bitch, Celine, the Lou, the V, my life, supreme. I work, they dream.
Out May the 20th, pre-order now. Okay. Okay.
I count.
There's so much advertisement in this video. There's so much promotion going on in this video.
Tell my name rings bells. Any war with a gang, you lost it. My slap that dust with the crowd do a mosh pit.
When the song start, Digga D, you gonna start the song or why you just keep it in suspense like forever?
When the dots clocked him, tryna pop him, disappear quick round the corner, I lost him. Bang, he's dropping, your bro gets dropped, I'll mock it. Go gon' fly, can't stop it. Crash, keep like a man, leave him boxing, I make my.
Alright, you start the song now, Digga D? You start it now? Me if you start it now. Pre-order the man thing, you know. Yo, make sure you say, go pre-order that still, you know. Go pre-order that, you know.
Strictly no recording. Video cameras, MP3 devices, mobile phones, or any other device used to record any portion of this film is strictly prohibited.
That's why I keep getting black. That is why I keep getting black. Alright, reaction done. Psych. Digga D, you have to go sue me. Me a react.
The following program is rated TVMA. What you're about to watch contains explicit language and graphic scenes. Viewer discretion is advised. Pussy.
Hey, yo. The last part. We are called pussy. Who should talk to?
Oh, Digga D, are you direct this?
But the boy get a piece from out of the checklist.
Yeah, me rate Diggity. Me not care. Me rate Diggity that. Me rate him.
Gotcha.
The Metropolitan Police's Twitter account was
Is this the actual song now? Is this the song now? Let's see.
targeted by hackers late last night. They posted a series of unusual tweets on the force's official account, including calls for the release of rapper Digga D.
This is a fucking movie, right? This is a movie, right?
No hack of its IT infrastructure.
Look, yo, my head gets hot, gotta stop. Turn off my phone and come off of social media.
That's about right. When my head get hot as well, I come off of social media too sometime.
Someone nearly got shot. That's what the police are explaining to Cecilia. Before this shit turns free me up, I'ma disappear. Amelia. Caught him lacking blood, now he's lacking blood. Anemia.
Can someone explain the Amelia? Obviously that's someone who disappeared, but who is it? Can someone leave it in the comment section for me, please? I don't know who it is.
Hey, Amelia. Caught him lacking blood, now he's lacking blood. Anemia. You should have been speedier. I'm from the G, but I'm pushing the P like Gunner. My 2 pinkies at a one. I'm more of a walker and some.
And same 2 pinky.
I'm pushing the P like Gunner. My 2 pinkies at a one. I'm more of a walker in summer. But let one of these you try get a come up. Before the sun can rise, I'm rising my gun up, and somebody's son's getting done up.
You hear that? Somebody mother go bury them son. Somebody father go bury them son. No ram.
But the pocket rock fling some copper shot. Something ain't right in my head, I can feel it. I can't control what's happening, bro. Blacked out, next thing I know, man's black time. It's just on a pole.
He's telling you what is about to happen when time him get mad like him ready.
Blood on my knife, chefed up a couple of guys. They know how I roll on the roads. The real rock band, I was rolling with stones. Juice him, I don't like rolling with phones. What the fuck is the problem, pussy? I'll grab my shotty and go on a...
Too much talking, just go feet. No matter talking, just go feet and start wet up man like a rain of fall, daddy. Rain, no. Wet up man. I don't worry for talking, man. Bamba club, man, I read it, man.
Push me, today ain't the day, I promise. You wanna get found in the forest? Ain't nothing to empty my gun in your forehead. What the fuck is the problem, pussy? I'll grab my shotty and go on a pushy.
I grab my shotty and go on a pushy. A push bike him mean. I grab him shotty and forward out back on a pushy. Yeah.
See if I don't blow off your head and turn you to cookie, pussy. Push me, today ain't the day, I promise. You wanna get found in the forest? Ain't nothing to empty my gun in your forehead.
That graphic, you know. Pussy man say, yo, you wanna get found in our forest? And I'm nothing for me empty me gun in your forehead. Right here, so you get everything. If you get everything in there, close casket. Can't open up. Close. Close.
Rather than walking, I'm chopping it up without talking instantly. When I start talking up, guys don't intervene. Push my 50s, clean inside his bean. Long magazine in the gleam and by the beam. I don't put lavender inside of my machine.
Man, I put lavender inside that machine. Man, I put lavender inside that machine. I think, hey, oh, I'm too no. Straight aisle down.
Cool, bro, you ain't gotta do nothing more, we believe you. Everyone knows you're savage. Drink some sweet corn, turn them cabbage. I heard that the shoot was Spanish. One phone call made somebody vanish.
Is this song Half-Time Project? Because I never see it in the track listing. Can somebody tell me if this song is Half-Time Project? Man say 144 make anybody vanish as well.
But on his chest, chalice. High in the sky from the smoke couldn't manage. What the fuck is the problem, pussy? I'll grab my shotty and go on a pushy.
So, you remember the guy them who just barged into him outside the shop? Obviously, he's making a step.
See if I don't blow off your head and turn you to cookie, pussy. Push me, today ain't the day, I promise. You wanna get found in the forest? Ain't nothing to empty my gun in your forehead.
Okay. So this is where it's about to go down now. This is where the movie gets nice.
My shotty and go on a pushy, push me. See if I don't blow off your head
run.
and turn you to cookie, pussy. Push me, today ain't the day, I promise.
The man, me not think on a bad man. Me not think on a whole heap of strap and whole heap of things in on the jacket and on the bag. When I run from one man for? On the bad.
Wanna get found in the forest? Ain't nothing to empty my gun in your forehead, pussy.
Boss just gonna make a step brilliant and come back in by himself. But like him do it still by himself. Man, I need a bag of friend to make it. Just him and him strap alone. Brave.
The Metropolitan Police's Twitter account was targeted by hackers.
Always hack them blood clot. Hack them, yes?
The force's official account, including calls for the release of rapper Digga D. Scotland Yard insisted there had been no hack of its IT infrastructure.
Them hack you. Scotland Yard, them hack you. You don't want to admit it, say them hack your ass. Them hack your bumbo clot. Because if you admit it, then other hackers are gonna know say your security weak like 7 days. Them hack you. Move your pussy clot, them hack you. Big up Groundworks. So this is the obviously this is the outtakes. Big up Groundworks. Man singing on the corner a while ago like him missile him step a while ago, dog.
I can't lie.
I wonder how long it take for David actually do so that come together. They got it just a vibe, bro.
I get.
Get the ring, get the ring tonight. Get the ring tonight. Have to get the ring tonight.
Yo, Syro, High back road, main road, front line where we board up through 100 more places I can sail on. But
I'm gonna end that one right there, so. I'm gonna end that one right there, so. Guys, I'm sorry if the lot of pausing got get to you. I'm sorry about that. But that is the only way of getting around Digga D's songs. Are songs that keep getting black. Are artists work that keep getting black on the channel. So if you have a better way of getting around it without that, please let me know in the comment section. Or go on Instagram. Go on my Instagram. My Instagram name is somewhere up there. Go on my Instagram and let me know the ways of avoiding copyright. Like black. I don't mind getting copyright strike, but when the video get black, that is the worst thing. Like it's like you just react and edit and put up for nothing at all. Like I don't like that. So yeah, I'll leave it there. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.